Hello everyone, welcome to a Small Terrible channel. Thank you so much guys sa patuloy ninyong pagsusuporta sa channel na ito. Kung wala kayo, wala din ako ngayon dito. Alright, so our topic for today is all about how to remove background easily without using any app, no? Without using any applications. So we can just remove our background easily, just like what I did to this. Okay, as you can see, the original picture of this has what's this? Can we this is not the one. This is not the one. The original picture has okay, let's try to locate it. Alright, so this is the original picture. It has a background there. But how did I remove it? And has also placed it here. Alright, so how? We're going to answer that today. And how did I come up with this? I am also going to tell you how. Alright, so first is you're going to let's go to first thing you can actually do this using your mobile phone or your laptop or your desktop, any laptop, desktop or mobile phone. You can do these steps. First step, go to google.com. Okay, let's just replace this with google.com. Alright, so we have typed already google.com in our browser. This time in the search bar, type remove background. Alright, then in the search results, the first search result, you click on it. Alright, after you click on that, you have this screen. You're prompted to this screen. All you have to do then is you're going to click here. Can you see this part here? You click here. Okay, upload image. Okay, then you're going to be prompted to your computer files. So for example, we are going to remove the background of this image. Let me see what image is that. Okay, for example, this image. Okay, let us remove. So original, then remove background, then charan, it's already removed. So after the background is removed, you can choose to download it directly. Okay, just like what I did here, I downloaded it directly because for the purpose that I am going to place that image without the background here. But if you want to have a background, you can edit it. Alright, so there are a lot of choices you can select too. Right, so for example, I am going to select this one. Alright, or this one, or this one. Okay, so you can opt to choose any background from here, but I myself, I am just going to download this right away. As you can see, the background is now removed. Alright, as you can see, it's very clean, unlike the hassle of using the app that wherein you are going to still have to do some gesture like this for the background to be removed, right? So using this remove bg in the Google search results, all right, so you can easily remove background. Actually, again, you can do this using your mobile phone. Still the same steps. First is you're going to go to google.com, type remove background, then you're going to be prompted with a screen wherein you are going to upload the image wherein you want that background to be removed. Then after which, let's download. Alright, so it's downloaded now. Alright, it's downloaded now. So this time, alright, okay, I want to edit this like, okay, so this one, okay, as you can see, I have made this where, okay, so I just proceed to, this is just an extra, guys. This is my topic is just removing the background. Alright, so I am just going to make this additional because a lot of my friends are asking me how did I come up with that thumbnail, how did I come up with that picture, right? I just proceed here. All right, so for all teachers, they are so familiar with this classroom.google.com. Then you click on that, there are slides, okay, and then after that just click on the blank. As you can see, it's here, virtual classroom. All right, so for example, I want, okay, just click these boxes here, right? Just click these boxes here, click and remove or delete. Okay, after that just put a title like virtual um virtual bar. No, not bar, virtual page. All right, so let's start with the background. What background do you want? So you're going to choose image using, if you have uploaded already, but I have not yet uploaded, so I am going to search Google image search. So for example, I'm going to have this wall and floor, right? Of course, you're going to have wall and floor. So for example, you'll have this. All right, just click insert, done. All right, then after that you can opt to insert again. This time you're going to click here, insert image. So just for example, okay, you're going to locate for chair, just have the word transparent, that means no background. Okay, so for example, I'm going to have this chair, just click insert. After you click on it, and you have the transparent chair. All right, transparent chair. And you want your picture to be included here. Let's try upload from computer, this one, that's the one. Okay, so let's just make it like that. Oops, what happened to our chair? Just Control Z. No. let's just assume that we have a table here. Right. So let's just move this. Right. And put some table. Insert again. Table. Oops. Search the web. Table. Transparent again. Because we have already the background, right? Okay. So for example, let's just have this table. Where's the table now? Let's just make it smaller. Alright. Now let's just have another table in which our feet could not be seen. Maybe this table. Let's try. This could not be. It's not transparent. So you should have a transparent. Alright. Table transparent background. Can have solid table. About this. Oh, this could not be. It's not transparent. Alright, so it's up to you guys how you're going to edit your. Okay, for example, you're going to place your like that, then make your chair a bit smaller. Put it here. I don't know. Not really there. Wait. Anyway, let's just remove this chair. I'm going to put here plants. Okay, for example, I want these plants. Hopefully these are transparent plants. Alright, so they are transparent, guys. May tumubong mga plants sa floor na ito. Bakit kaya? At for example, I am just happened to that plants. So all you have to do is you do edit what you want to, guys. Alright. And what else do you want to put in here? Alright, so basically, in a summary, you're going to go to google.com, type remove background, upload a photo, and you'll have this remove background photo. You download it, and after which you go to, if you want this, you customize your view. Go to classroom.google.com, look for slides, then you have it here. Alright. So thank you so much for listening, guys. We'll have another tutorial for tomorrow. And so see you. Bye bye.